Apple announces more than 600 new apps built for Apple Vision Pro. Apple has unveiled the Apple Vision Pro, introducing over 600 new apps and games optimized for its groundbreaking features. Vision Pro offers an immersive three-dimensional interface navigated through eye, hand, and voice commands, transforming digital interactions. With these innovations, users can enjoy sports, TV shows, movies, and games in entirely new ways, alongside more than 1 million compatible iOS and iPadOS apps. Susan Prescott, Apple's VP of Worldwide Developer Relations, highlights the transformative potential of these apps in entertainment, productivity, learning, and more. The Vision Pro boasts ultra-high resolution displays, providing a viewing experience superior to a 4K TV for each eye. This technology enables watching content on a virtual 100-foot screen, enhancing the viewing of sports and entertainment. Notable sports apps like PGA Tour Vision offer real-time tracking and 3D models of golf courses, while the NBA app allows basketball fans to stream multiple games simultaneously, accessing real-time stats and scores across different matches. Other sports apps cover MLB, Red Bull TV, and MLS Season Pass, ensuring Vision Pro users have premium access to live sports and scores. Entertainment on Vision Pro is elevated through apps like Disney, plus IMAX, and Warner Bros. Discovery's Max, which offer immersive viewing experiences for movies and shows. The Max app, for instance, transports users to iconic settings like the Iron Throne Room from Game of Thrones, enhancing the content viewing experience. Apple TV and Apple Music apps provide access to Apple Originals, 3D movies, and over 100 million songs with spatial audio, showcasing the device's capacity for immersive entertainment. Productivity is redefined on the Vision Pro through an infinite canvas for apps, enabling unparalleled multitasking and collaboration. Vision OS supports apps like Box for secure file management and Microsoft 365 for productivity, leveraging the spatial interface for enhanced data visualization and project management. Vision Pro users can also enjoy real-time translation with apps like Navi, showcasing the device's potential to revolutionize workspaces without physical limitations. In summary, Apple Vision Pro marks a significant technological advancement, offering over 600 new apps and games that leverage its spatial computing capabilities. From transforming how we view sports and entertainment to reimagining productivity and collaboration, Vision Pro sets a new standard for immersive digital experiences.